Okay, so hello, here I am back again. Now, the concrete has had some extra water and glue added to it, and I'll write the quantities for you in the description what I ended up doing. And now, oh, I need to put that, oh yeah, I've got 2 gloves on. Yep. So now you do need to get some. Put it in your hand and see if you can pat it into a smooth clay-like substance. And yes, I can, but it's still too, see how it slides off my hand? Wait, in little pieces. So as much as it's sticking to my hand reasonably well, and when I make a ball, I can't make a round ball and have it stay in a ball. But rather than add more water, what I do, see, it's too flat, won't stay up in a nice ball. It's reasonable, and it's nearly the right consistency. And it's not going to fall, it's going to sit there like that. But I can tell from the feel of it that it's just a bit too soft. So, as I said, rather than add more concrete or sand to that mix, because I'm reasonably happy with it, I'm just going to leave it for half an hour and let it set a little bit. So, put it back in the thing. When I do so, I'll show you. I get the fork that I've been mixing it with, and I push it all around the sides of this bowl. See? So there's a hollow in there. Yeah. So that it gets a bit of an even amount of air, and just leave it sit on its side for a while. It might only take 10-15 minutes, might take longer. So I do have to keep an eye on it, because once I need to start working with it, boom, goes really fast. I'll come back.